No. I want to show him.
Now, fan. If you want, maybe.
Yes, we'll get fan for you. I want you to see something before you go.
Okay, this is the nylon printing machine.
Yes, for sachet water. I want you to operate it. I want to show my wife something. I'm keen to see something. How the machine works.
Okay.
You understand? So operate it. There's my glasses.
This is how the sachet water nylon is.
Yes.
It's printed. Yes.
Well,
company
like
name,
it
everything.
comes like this.
Okay, plain.
It comes like plain roll. This is called plain roll. The one they now fuse the
Okay, this is the which cylinder is this one? Is it the
This one is not cylinder, this one is stereo.
okay stereo?
Well, there's some that use it like you have cylinder like this, but this one is not having cylinder, it's having a stereo they put in the body of the roller.
Okay.
Sir?
Okay, this is just the inscriptions.
Yes.
Okay, for the production of the leather itself to the size.
For this one, roller. Why this one they customize? This one is the stereo. They will now fit it in this place.
In the roller.
In the roller. You see there's one there.
Yeah.
That one now customize this thing. There's one they call IPA. This one is the ink. Why the other one is IPA? They will mix the ink with the IPA. When they mix the ink with the IPA, they put it in the plate.
Does all other company have this, or they go out to get their
Some go out, like our factory, we go out to get it.
to get the customized?
Yes.
Which one are you on? Because there's no leather on ground. That's the thing. That thing will not be cutting it to the shape of what.
This is also the nylon.
Another modern standard of the printing.
Okay. This is a bigger one.
This one is the bigger one.
This one is not working.
No, this one is the others. There are no. You know how much customers that customer print out with laser.
You print for people.
Yes. This is the name of other companies.
Okay, yes. Print for other companies too. So this one is able to do how many at a time?
This one make the printer. And I'm going to say that. I just the logistics, the stock about it.
Okay.
And then we know. And this one now,
Mr. Emmanuel.
This is. Every sachet water has a design. So this is what we call rubber steel. It's made from rubber. So it comes with the company name. This is Summit. This is the logo of the company. This is the NAFDAC number. This is the design. So this is the address. This is the phone number. Everything about the company. This is it. And when you print it, it gives you exactly what you want. So we are using purple color for our color. So we can use 2 colors or 3 colors. This machine now, as you are seeing, is cylinders. It doesn't use rubber steel. Now this is where the cylinder is being placed.
Yes.
In the machine, you place it here, and it prints exactly based on the design. So this is the ink. The ink, it comes from 2 different chemicals. The color you are using, if it is purple, which you are using, then you have what we call IPK butanol. Butanol is a chemical used in mixing the ink. So according to the ratio, we use 125 liter, which is this, of the color you are using. Then you use 3 butanol. To consume a full ink of 25 liter, you need 3 IPK butanol. It's a chemical, it's just a white chemical. Why is butanol? Can I get small? This thing, just like it has an offensive smell. You know, I'll show you. But this is methanol. It's just chemical, using mixing it. So this is the design of a rubber stereo. You can design yours. This is the logo, this is your name, this is the NAFDAC number, sachet water, everything. Now, one thing about sachet water is that it's very competitive. So you have to penetrate the market. Penetrate the market. Okay, this is just like a water.
Okay.
It's just like a water. Let me just pull it. You can see it's chemical. Just like water, using mixing the this thing. Now, to penetrate the market in a different way, based on price, based on quality. The one is Sun and NAFDAC recommended that. Sun and NAFDAC recommended that a sachet water should be 50 cl. You can see it's 50 cl. But you can penetrate the market by making your own 60 cl. You understand? You can penetrate the market by making your own 50 cl but 24, not 20. You can penetrate the market on different aspects. You get it? Based on the price also. 10 to 1. If you buy 10 bags, I give 1 bag free. You can penetrate the price. So there's every aspect of you to do. As a new, especially when you're a new company, your quality should speak. But as a new company, it's beyond quality now. You have to set the quality first.
Yes.
Then the customer will say, okay, yes, this quality is there. Then from there, I can continue patronizing this person because the water is standard. So, but other aspects, 10 to 1, the size of the water based on the volume, and also the quality in the bag and the rest of it. So, this is the design. One design is this one is 12,000 and the company within 2 days is out.
Okay.
So it's 12,000 to design this. Yes, the rubber stereo.
Okay.
So, but this machine only produces only 1 color. Yeah, this machine cannot do 2 color, and that's why we have this machine. This machine is a cylinder. So it's a cylinder that produces 2, 3, 4 colors. Yes. Some people say, okay, well, for me, I don't see any reason why you should have many colors. There's no design. I don't know why people want to design the water to have different colors, but people don't do this. Now this one has many advantages actually. This one, this machine, there's no way you can get the printing of this and this to be equal. This one is more clearer, more beautiful, more finer, more preferable. There's no way you can see the print. Look at this print. You can see everything in the print came out perfectly. Everything came out perfectly. But that one, you can see how rough that one is. You can see how rough this one is. This one cannot be compared to that. But this one now is 12,000. To get a cylinder is around 150,000. Yes. And this one can serve it for years. Then when it's small crack, we have issue with nylon. For you have body leakage.
Okay.
Yes. So and that one, the way if you handle it very well, you have issues with that. But this one can last you for long. Yes, and that one, what you do, the printing is better, it's clearer, it's finer, it's sweeter to use, but it's more expensive. This one 12,000. That one can give you like close to 2 weeks for the production to be out. And any mistake they have in your design, you have to do another one. If the NAFDAC number is not complete, you have to do another one. Because the way they design this one, that's how the print will come out. So that one, they make mistake too, that's how it will come out. You get it?
If you have a good machine, that thing should come out better.
Yes, the operator, yes. Even with this machine, it can come out better. So he is just doing the setting because they work on the machine yesterday. So you are not getting it right. Because our water is more beautiful. So old one that is there, that is more beautiful than this one you're getting. You just get the machine right. So you are not doing the setting completely. So this cone, if you are doing for somebody, this one, you can get it 300 naira for one. So that is only material you use. You use the roll, the packing bag. If you are not printing for somebody, the only thing you buy is the nylon and also the packing bag. Those are the 2 materials you got. Don't you have compared to bottled water, you have to buy label, you have to buy cap, shrink wrapping, and the rest of it.
Okay.
So this is all about sachet water.
Do you have an idea how much this machine will cost?
Yes, this and this is only 12 million now.
Okay.
So I think this one is another 8 point something million, this one is 3 point something million.
Okay, that was when?
That is 4 years ago. 2021. Why 2021?
And money go down add small.
Yes, that's around 50 million. But this one, we don't really use it. We only need to test run the machine. Because we are not got customer, we don't print outsiders. We only print for our own internal use.
Okay.
For a bit cheaper, or you print for yourself. Yourself, and you going outside to print.
Yeah.
So it's a bit cheaper.
So you want to buy only this thing at around 5 million.
I think this one actually, yes, we need that range now. Oh, but they are that 3 or something million then. But they are locally fabricated. Yes, it's not actually imported. You can say our engineers, there's something special in the machine. So it's locally fabricated.
Okay.
Even this one too, are all locally fabricated.
Okay. This one too is local.
Yes.
They see Chinese.
Okay, there's a logo there, right? So this is one of the power box.
Okay.
Each of them has each of their controllers. So I think in Ibadan, just check Yes. Yes, it's cheaper. It's cheaper. It's locally fabricated. So I think we need that same range. This is like around 9 million. This one is 3 million. The only special is
No, nothing special.
the cashier in the in-house. The cashier will now sell to the customer. So this one will store the water we sell to our customer and try it. Yes, the price is a bit lower if you come here to buy yourself. That will supply you in your house. It's 50 naira difference. Though the price is different. If you come to buy, if you supply in your house less than 50 pack, we add transportation charges. If you buy above 50, we'll give you supply price. But if you come to the factory to buy, it's lower. So we have the factory price, we have the supply price above 50 and below 50. So those are the three prices. And also the volume, so if you buy a 1,000 pack, it's a discount.
It's a discount. Yes. Likewise, this.
This one is more of our logistic office. So it's not a bit more requests. Some of that finished, we release the budget and send it to the accounts. Can't go through it. These are marketers. So marketers will come to drivers for the order, the house. So my marketers are
This is the
these are marketers.
administrative offices. There are security cameras and at least space for the staffs around. You use solar here?
No, yes, we use solar.
Okay.
This is the account
No.
office.
NEPA, no light.
This is the account office and this is the cashier office.
Okay.
Produce both sachet, bottled, dispenser. They make nylon. I think that's accommodation for some of the staffs. They also have their own transformer inside the compound here.
Yes.
You can see it.
Transformer.
You can see the size of the land too. There's extra space around.
This is farm on This is like 2,000
Square meters. I was selling myself one that says 1,000. So basically,
mine is 1,500. That maybe to do one big hall like this one.
yes, you can do a big hall for it. Then you saw the way they demarcated the factory. It's just the demarcation.
Unions,
Yes, yes.
This is the main entrance.
This is the main entrance. Then that other side where those vehicles are, that's where the exit is. You know.